Plan your dream trip to Albania today and experience a journey like no other. Easily browse and choose the perfect destination that matches your travel style with Trip Albania. Discover the most breathtaking tours, from hidden gems to iconic landmarks across the country. Secure your booking in just a few clicks, fast, easy, and completely hassle-free. Get instant confirmation sent straight to your email, so you can plan with confidence. Explore a wide variety of tours, whether it's the stunning coastline, majestic mountains, rich culture, or thrilling adventures. Travel with peace of mind, guided by highly experienced and professional local experts. Pay directly to the business through our fast, secure, and reliable booking system. Have questions or need assistance? Our 24/7 support team is always here to help, anytime, anywhere. See Albania like never before. Immerse yourself in its beauty, history, and adventure. Your unforgettable journey starts now. Book today and let the adventure begin.